Mix English and Mandarin. This is the ultimate secret towards fluency in Mandarin. Now, if you're new towards learning Mandarin, I have an interesting idea. Use this idea, I believe you can become fluent in Mandarin very fast. Mix English and Mandarin. But if you're in Malaysia, you can mix Malay and Mandarin. Depends on the person that you're speaking to. So when you see a Chinese person, just tell him, hey boss, ini tempat cai nali. Okay, what? Mix English and Mandarin. When you do it right, you can even speak 90% English or Malay and a little bit of Mandarin. And then as you keep getting used to, because you're so scared to speak Mandarin, because it's your first time, or maybe you're scared of making mistakes, those fears will run in you. So what do? You can't just go out and just speak full-fledged Mandarin just like that. You must remember, mastering Mandarin takes a lot of practices and failures. You have to get used to failures. You got to get used to making mistakes. When you continue doing this, then your mistakes will start reducing. Your failures will start reducing. Why? Because you're practicing this every day. Like for example, if you're seeing a person, let's say if you want to say, what time is it? What time is it? 现在几点? So you just want to speak it to somebody. What time is it? 现在几点? So you can just tell, hey boss, sekarang 几点? Why not? Sekarang saya mau pergi KL lah. But pukul berapa? Tapi pukul berapa? 几时来? You can also do that. Speak 90% English, 10% Mandarin. Or if you want to go speak 99% English, 1% Mandarin. Let's say for example, hey boss, saya mau beli durian Durian, what is durian? You don't know. You go to Google Translate and learn durian. Hey, saya mau beli ini liulian 1 kg berapa? You just go in Malay all the way. Just liulian only you speak. Start there. Or you want to tell, hey boss, saya mau beli ini 这个. Hey, 这个berapa? That's it. The rest all just go in Malay. Speak 1% Mandarin. And then the rest you just speak Malay or English. This is the secret. If you do it right, I believe you can just go somewhere. Then as you're going, you increase to 2%, then 3%, then 4%, then 5%. This is how you gradually increase. Don't whack full 100% Mandarin. You can't do it. This is the beauty about staying in Malaysia. You don't need to know full Mandarin. Because all Malays, all Chinese, they can speak Malay and English. They know it. They know English. They know Malay. So why not use Malay and mix with Mandarin? This is the first secret. So 99% Malay, 1% Mandarin. Then as your confidence keep getting better, increase the numbers until you go to like 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Then you go 60%, 70%, 80%. This might depends on how frequent are your practice. If your practice is every day, within 3 months or 4 months, you can get into fluency level. But if your practice is like 3 times a week or 2 times a week, maybe you can take about 5 or 6 months. But if your practice is only once a week, then I don't know, it might take about 2 years or 3 years. It's a long time if you're only practicing Mandarin once a week. But if I were you, if you want to be fluent in Mandarin, play the short game. Why make it a point when you see Chinese person is only Mandarin coming out. So use this simple technique, 99% to 1. Alright? So number 2, when you mix English or Malay to Mandarin, this is what I want you to do. Journal everything down. Are you testing or not everything that you take? Because you see, you want to speak Mandarin with somebody, you have to journal it down. You have to say, look, I'm going to practice this today. Go out and practice this. Go out. Just tell, look, I'm going to use this. I'm going to practice this. I'm going to speak to somebody today. Or you can even write down, look, I'm going to this tire shop. I'm going to speak Mandarin today. Okay. So why not find a place to speak Mandarin? But you see, You see, you can either find a place to speak Mandarin, or you can even plan, look, instead of going to a Malay tire shop or an Indian tire shop, I'm going to go to a Chinese tire shop. That means you already have your daily routine. That means you're going to work, you're going to the shop, going here, going there. You have your own lifestyle going on. This is where you fit in all these extra Chinese places into your lifestyle. So you don't have to purposely speak Mandarin in a situation. You can just fit it along your routine. That'll be great, right? This is number 2. Number 3, when you're doing this every time, you are speaking 20% or 10% Mandarin, and then you are planning your routines and you're speaking Mandarin. Number 3, are you celebrating or not? You got to celebrate. Let's say you spoke Mandarin today. Celebrate by treating yourself a meal, or even tell your friend, hey, look, I spoke Mandarin today. Remember, your subconscious mind will give you more of what you do. That means the more you're practicing Mandarin, the more opportunities will come for you to speak Mandarin. If you understand this, Chinese will be a fun journey to learn. So instead of waiting for opportunities to come, you put opportunities in your routine. And then when those routine comes in, you mix Malay and Mandarin. You mix English and Mandarin. You just do this all the time. That's why you need to have a journal. You have a journal of successes. Oh, I spoke Mandarin today. I went to this shop. I wrote it. So when you keep journaling down all these things every day, what is actually going on in your life, you start seeing more and more opportunities coming, and then you tend to celebrate more, and then you get to meet more people, and then you have Chinese friends, is even better. You practice with Chinese friends, you can practice with your friends, you can practice with your relatives, or maybe you have cousins or nephews who are already in a Chinese school and they are speaking Mandarin. You can start speaking Mandarin. You don't have to tell you're learning Mandarin. You just tell, look, I know a little bit, but let me just practice. Nobody needs to know you're learning Mandarin, but focus on these 3 things. Number 1, mix the ratio. Okay, 2%, 97%, 98%. Number 2, fit Mandarin speaking in your routine. Number 3, celebrate. You focus on these 3. Chinese will be easy. So if you enjoyed, you got the value from this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment. Let me know what is your take from this video, alright? My name is Sifu Kairesh, Malaysia's #1 Mandarin coach. 谢谢.